Have you ever wondered how broiling creates that perfect crispy exterior on your favorite dishes? Let's dive deep into the science behind this cooking technique. Broiling is a method where food is exposed to high heat from above, usually an electric or gas broiler. This process aims for a crispy exterior and juicy interior. The primary source of heat in broiling comes from the top, where a metal coil or gas flame radiates infrared radiation downward onto the food. Understanding that the main heat source is at the top helps explain why broiling works best for thin foods like steaks or fish, where even heating from above is crucial. The intense heat from above can quickly crisp the surface of your food, making it ideal for finishing touches like browning breadcrumbs or crisping a casserole top. While some models may have bottom heating elements, the primary cooking action is from above. This method ensures efficient and even cooking of your meals. So next time you're broiling, remember that it's not just heat but the specific top-down approach that creates those perfect results. Now you know why broil is considered top heat. What dishes will you try broiling next? Share your experiences in the comments.